a super messy experiment. It's called elephant toothpaste. But first, you need your safety goggles for this experiment to protect your eyes. Because we are working with chemicals. For this experiment, you need 100 milliliters of peroxide in each bottle. Make sure you hold the bottle and quickly. I already poured the 100 milliliters of peroxide in these two. Here I have liquid dish soap, the same kind you would use to wash dishes. You're gonna pour a little bit in each bottle. Okay. Here comes me. Okay, sir. Now you need your food coloring. Put 8 drops in each bottle. I have neon pink, yellow, and classic blue. You can do whatever colors you want. 2, 3, 1. Whoa, look in there. Look in there, everybody. My yeast, and I have 3 separate bottles. Cups. 1, 2, 3. This is what yeast looks like.
You're sticking your finger in there.
Hello. 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 And now I'm just gonna add some warm water to my yeast and mix it.
That's good.
Whoa.
Okay.
Are you guys ready for this? Do the next one. It looks like elephant. Squaring out, am I right? What happened to this one? Watch out! It's just white. Double white. Ooh, you can see some yellow strips. Now for the last one. You'll see some blue strips in this one. Whoa! It's shooting from the other side. You can see some dark blue strips. And this one definitely has mine. Give me. You guys want to know why this happened? These mixed together. And it went up and exploded. Everybody had to run out of the. And everybody had to run out of the house. And then exploded everywhere. This happened because of the chemical reaction of that. The yeast took out the oxygen of that and made it go. I felt it get hot. Watch this. I told you it was gonna be messy. Get out of your bubble. The bubble's just gonna stay there for the whole entire life.